The features you want may be available in TANSCOS Kitchen Mats for floor, 2 PCS cushioned anti-fatigue kitchen rugs and mats set non-skid. Let's take a look at what people who have bought or used to mention, how it is. Highlight features or overview summary are include. The TANSCOS Extra Thick Foam 2 PCS Cushioned Anti-Fatigue Kitchen Rugs and Mats set are effectively provided more cushion and stability support to help relieve lower back pain, pressure on your knees, and the fatigue of your feet for people who stand for long periods of time. Besides, cushioned support of the anti-fatigue mat can help improve the circulation and posture, ideal for home and commercial use, such as for kitchen, floor, office, sink, laundry. The surface design of our thick foam kitchen rug has a unique non-slip texture design, and the bottom is also made of a non-slip material. Excellent slip resistance allows the kitchen runner rug to maintain a good position. The extra thick foam design can play a good cushioning effect when your dishes fall. Strong durable material features make your kitchen mat for a long time use without being deformed or damaged. Our non-skid kitchen mats and rugs for floor are made of premium quality PVC material. The material of kitchen floor mat is waterproof, oil and stain resistant. The waterproof surface can ensure that your kitchen mats will not be damaged for long time use. After use, just simply wipe them off with a damp cloth and a handheld vacuum. This simple care procedure can save you time and ensure that your kitchen mat can be used for many years. The memory foam kitchen mats anti-fatigue are contained 2 rectangular rugs, 17 x 29 inches and 17 x 59 inches, and can provide a super large area for standing in the kitchen, floor, office, laundry. In front of the sink, the unique design and neutral color match any decor. The TANSCOS Kitchen Mat is the ideal choice for you and your family. Safety and eco-friendly, the TANSCOS Cushioned Kitchen Mat is phthalate-free, latex-free, and odor-free. The use of high-quality environmentally friendly materials can maximize the health of you and your family. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.